Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. Here is my pretty and pink look. I love this viral shadow hack with blending the 5 colors together. I've been doing it quite a bit. If you guys want to see this look, how I got this look, please keep on watching. I won't be doing a voiceover in this video. All products used will be in my description box. If you have any questions, let me know. Love you guys so much, and I appreciate all the love and support. And my next video would be Lady in Red, where I'm doing a look similar to this but using different shades of red shadow and black. I was wearing camouflage colors that day, but yeah, stay tuned. Keep watching. Alright guys, here's a completed look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments. And my next look will be similar to this, but I'll be using different shades of red, so stay tuned for that. I love all the support that you guys have given me. And thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe everybody. Love you guys. Bye.